Right now I'm in SOI, ARUNOTHAI, and today I'll be showing you the 5 best value apartments in this area, available to rent monthly. In the past year I've reviewed all of these 5 apartments and the ones that I recommend based on value for money, furnishings inside the room and also the area. So here in SOI, ARUNOTHAI, you're in the centre of Pattaya, 3rd Road, Central Pattaya Road, and even SOI Bukhao, all within walking distance. In the description I'll leave the Google Map location for each room, as well as information such as the water and electric prices. And my number 1 best value room here in SOI, ARUNOTHAI is at the Vanaporn Place here, which is priced at 5,500 baht per month. And the rooms here are very well furnished for the price. Also has a balcony and Wi-Fi inside the room. And also the building's located right next to Central Pattaya Road. And not too far away, Big C Extra.
Same, everything. Same.
Okay,
yeah.
Very nice. Yeah, very clean.
Okay.
Okay. So here, hot shower.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, straight ahead, Big C Extra.
Yeah, this apartment has 7 elements and car park here and behind this apartment.
Yeah, so fridge here.
Yeah.
And freezer.
Okay. Have Wi-Fi too, no? Okay, you understand? Yeah.
Free Wi-Fi?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Yeah. So big wardrobe. Bed nice and soft.
Okay.
Yeah. The room very clean.
Yeah.
Telephone here. You have a desk and chair. So here air conditioning.
Yeah.
Nice and bright this room. No, a lot of light. Yeah, it's very nice.
I think.
And my number 2 room is on SOI 4 Alley at the M Place. And this room more expensive than my number 1 choice at 7,500 baht per month. But it's more of a modern room and also on a quiet road. Yes, you have king size bed.
Yes, but every room same. The bed.
Yeah,
the
same.
The area.
Okay. Microwave
Microwave.
and fridge here. You have a cable TV here.
Yes, ma'am.
Cable TV, okay. And air conditioning. Oh, kettle, handy for coffee. Yeah, very nice. So hot shower here. Have a safety deposit box. Yeah. And number 3 is here at the Icon Place, located at the end of SOI, ARUNOTHAI, next to Central Pattaya Road. And the lowest price for a room here is 8,500 baht per month, which is more expensive than the previous 2. However, these rooms were refurbished last year and are very modern. Yeah, this room, very nice. 2 single beds here, but the room that's available will have a double bed. So you have 2 large towels. Nice big wardrobe for storage. Some chest of drawers. Got a nice work area here too. Large mounted TV. Yeah, so plenty of light in this room. You have a kitchen area here. Sink. Kettle. Nice big fridge. Everything in here spotless clean. Yes, you have aircon up here. Yeah, this window looks out into Central Pattaya Road. Big C extra just across the road here. Decent bathroom. Not the biggest, but it's got everything you need. Sink basin, small towels. Yeah, so this room very nice. Perfectly located too. Nice bright colours as well, so you get plenty of light. Yeah, so rooftop here you have a nice relaxing area. Yeah, from up here you get the view of Central Pattaya Road. So up here you can see into Beach Road. Yeah, so it's nice and cool up here. So you got some lounge chairs. Also rooftop you have a gym here. Some cardio machines. Resistance machines. Chest press. Chest fly. Lat pull. Yeah, so it's got most things you need. Some free weights, benches, barbells. Also up here you get a nice view. Air conditioning too. And my number 4 is just right behind the Vanaporn Place at the 75 mansion, where the rental price is just 5,000 baht per month. And this building is far from modern, but the room's well furnished and also on a quiet road. Great value for 5,000 baht per month. Ron Mac. Yes, you have a kitchen area here. Sink, fridge, yeah, you've also got a balcony here. Yeah, just on the left there you have Big C Extra. On the right, SOI ARUNOTHAI. Yeah, so decent location here.
Okay, man.
Yeah. TV. Nice big wardrobe. Yeah, plenty of storage space. Yeah. Check out the bathroom. You got a shower bidet here. Electric socket for your shaver. Nice double bed. Soft too. 2 large towels. Yeah, so you have air conditioning up here. And number 5 on my list is here at the Nirun complex. Earlier this year I checked out a newly refurbished studio condo here, priced at 6,000 baht per month, which was excellent value. But like some others on my list, this building does have some signs of age. So if you want to inquire about renting a condo here, just on the right they have a sales office. Very nice. Yeah, so balcony here. Yeah, sink as well. Some microwave. Fridge. Freezer here. Yeah, so huge modern TV, flat screen, smart TV too. Yeah, dining table and chairs. Yeah, all this brand new. Brand new stove covering and drawer with key. Yeah, this room brand new. Yeah, extra cushion. Yeah, so these wardrobes have a lock here. Very handy. In the bathroom. Yeah, so you have the shower here, hot shower. Decent size. Sink basin. Bidet. Yeah, so I've been in here brand new. Big bed. Yeah, decent view. In this direction, 3rd Road. Yeah, couch here too. So please all like and subscribe. On my channel I also have memberships available if you want to sign up for them.